In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a GIF from Google Slides to your computer. Whether you're preparing a presentation or just want to use that perfect GIF elsewhere, this process is straightforward and quick. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Google Slides presentation that contains the GIF you want to save. If you're not already there, go ahead and access it. It's essential to start from the exact presentation because that's where the GIF is located, and you need it open to get things rolling. Once you have your presentation open, it's time to locate the specific slide that has your target GIF. Navigate through your slides until you spot it. Sometimes presentations are packed with lots of visuals, so take your time to ensure you've found the right slide. After finding the slide, you'll need to right-click directly on the GIF image. The right-click action is typically performed by clicking the right button on your mouse or pressing the touchpad with 2 fingers if you're using a laptop. Doing this will pop open a context menu, which holds the key to saving your GIF. Within this context menu, look for the option labeled Save As. This option will vary slightly in appearance depending on your browser or operating system, but it's generally located in the middle of the menu. Selecting Save As will launch a dialog box that allows you to save your GIF. Now, in this dialog box, you'll have the opportunity to choose where exactly on your computer you'd like to save your GIF. You'll see a section where you can browse folders. You might want to select a location that you can easily remember later, like your desktop or a dedicated folder for GIFs. Additionally, give your GIF a name, something memorable or descriptive, so you can easily identify it when you need to use it. Finally, once you've selected your preferred save location and named your file, look for the Save button. It's usually at the bottom right of the dialog box. Click Save and voila. The GIF will be downloaded to your computer. And that's it. This simple set of steps makes it easy to get your favorite visuals from Google Slides to your personal library. Remember, this process not only saves time, but also ensures that you have the flexibility to use those GIFs in other projects or presentations in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, feel free to like and subscribe for more how-to videos. See you in the next one.